In this video, I will show how to change trend line color in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, click here, right click on it and click on Add Trend Line. Now to change color, click here, select any color, like this. And if you want to change this dots color, select these all. From here, you can change. Similarly, if you want to change outline for, so marker, color and select another color here, like this. So this is the setting. You can change trend line color in Excel. Select it and in the color option, you can select any another color which you like. And you want to change this dots color, select them, marker and change another color, outline and internal color from here, like this. So thanks for watching.